In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a pop-up in Klaviyo for your Shopify. To begin, log into your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you are inside your account, go to the Sign Up Forms section. This is where you can create and manage forms that appear on your store. From there, select Form so you can start setting up a new one for your Shopify site. Next, choose Pop-up as the form type. This tells Klaviyo that you want a form that appears on the screen as visitors browse your store. Pop-ups are commonly used to collect email sign-ups, promote offers, or encourage first-time visitors to take action. Choosing the correct form type here is important because it determines how the form will behave on your storefront. After that, move to the Targeting and Behaviors tab in the left panel. This section controls when, where, and how your pop-up is shown to visitors. It is one of the most important parts of the setup because even a well-designed pop-up needs the right timing to perform well. Now configure your display triggers. This is where you decide what causes the pop-up to appear. For example, you may want it to show after a visitor has been on the page for a few seconds, or after they have scrolled to a certain point. The goal is to make sure the pop-up appears at a moment that feels natural rather than disruptive. Then adjust the frequency settings and device targeting options as desired. Frequency settings help control how often the same visitor sees the pop-up, which is useful for avoiding repetition. Device targeting lets you decide whether the pop-up appears on desktop, mobile, or both. This is helpful because the experience can feel different depending on the device, so it is worth reviewing these settings carefully before going live. Once everything looks the way you want, go to the upper right-hand corner and change the status drop-down from Draft to Live. This marks the form as ready to be used on your store. Finally, click Publish to push the pop-up to your Shopify site. After publishing, your form will be active based on the targeting and behavior settings you selected. That covers everything you need to know.